Hi guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Shoutout po kay Sir Abraham. Sir, ito na po ang inyong unit, yung Glock 17 4 Series Silver Slide. This is the F Series 2-tone Silver Slide Black Frame. Ito yung custom design ng Glock. So, bali, bibigay ko na sa iyo, sir, number 14 na gas, Pop Dyno. At saka medyo mabigat na bala, .25, 3,000 shots. Okay. Ito yung unit mo, sir. Ito yung box, Glock 17 4 Series Silver Slide Black Frame Silver Barrel, WE brand, Taiwan. Manual, backstrap, yung lock pin, yung unit, Glock 17 markings. Ayan, 17 WE technology, universal staple grip, naka magwell na. Tapos naka Punisher backplate, fiber optic sight, may serration sa top, may serration sa gilid, Picatinny rail para sa accessories, threaded barrel para sa mga tracer units and other accessories, 24 rounder capacity, mas makapal yung mag base, mas malapad pala. Ayan, Glock 17 4 Series or the Glock 17 F Series na 2-tone Silver Slide Black Frame, Metal Slide Polymer Frame. So, ganun po si Glock. Ayan. Shoutout kay Sir Abraham ng Tarlac. Second unit na ni Sir. Pangalawang order niya. Yung una, Glock 19. Ito naman, sumunod, Glock 17. 4 Series din yung Glock 19 niya. Ayan. Glock 17 4 Series. Lagyan lang natin ang gas. Bibis. Okay, so tetest natin, sir, kung ilang EPS, no? Testayin natin kung gaano kalakas itong Glock 17 4 Series. But before that, timbangin natin kung gaano naman siya kabigat. .80, almost 1 kilo. Okay, 0.80. Ayan. Okay, almost 1 kilo ang Glock. Medyo magaan si Glock dahil nga polymer yung frame, metal yung slide. So ngayon, chronograph testing. Okay, Sir Abraham, testingin natin kung ilang EPS. Glock 17 4 Series or the Glock 17 F Series Silver Slide Black Frame by WE. Okay, firing. 383.7. Ang gamit natin, 14. 383.7. $381.7. Pag 12 ang gamit natin, nasa 360, 370. Medyo mataas lang ng siguro mga 5 to 10 EPS pag 14. At ramdam mo rin yung palo talaga yung recoil. 376.2. Yan, bumaba siya dahil paubos yung gas. Last 373.2. And open chamber. Release mag. Pull back the slide, then hammer down. Okay, shoot pa tayo. Okay, Sir Abraham, testing sir, Glock 17 4 series by WE. Airing. Sapol. Open chamber. Release mag. Pull back the slide, hammer down. Okay, Sir Abraham, okay nang yung unit, sir. Glock 17 4 series by WE. Custom design of Glock. Ayan. So, kung may question po, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop, or sa 0956-572-7896 or 0969-091-5466. Yun yung official contact number lang ng 5th Generation Hobby Shop. So, yun lamang po, sir. Thank you and have a nice day.